Welcome to the MRJ-Laser channel. Today we will show you how to operate a 1000 watt pulse laser cleaning machine. Step on the brake. Open the protective cover. Connect the power cord. Rotate the key switch clockwise. Release the emergency stop switch. Press the water tank switch. Wait until the temperature rises above 22 degrees. Press the laser switch. Turn the key switch on the laser source clockwise. Press the power button. Take out the fiber optic cable and cleaning head. Take off the protective cover. Before cleaning, please make sure to wear the protective goggles. Select different cleaning modes. Tap sway and laser in sequence. Tap anywhere on the screen with your finger. Linear scanning. Spiral scanning. Circular scanning. Square scanning, one direction. Circular scanning. Square scanning, two directions. Flower scanning. Twisting scanning. Shutdown steps. First of all, turn off the power. Then rotate the key switch on the laser source counterclockwise. Press laser switch, water tank switch in sequence, and rotate key switch counterclockwise.